Okay, so this exercise, which is number 4, this is kind of a more circles, arcs, lines, kind of a speed test, really, to see if you put the last practices in place and can work out best kind of scenarios to run from. Nice easy one to start with. 0, 0 is going to be in the center. So first thing I do is mark up those particular points and then work out where my set locations are. So running from the center, 0, 0, you've got a couple of features then you might want to consider. So there's the diameter of 150, and then you have your radius of 45, which will give you that working blue line from. Those are kind of the two areas where you got to start to get your crucial dimensions from. So from your drawing, quite simple, straight into the circle tool. CI for circle, 0, 0, because we're working at the 0 point. First thing I'm going to do is put in the 45. Back in again, CI, 0, 0. This time we have a diameter, so I'm going to put D in, 150. So I've kind of got those two elements in the bottom of my corner pan, so I can get them nice and big, zoom in so I can see my working area. So next up will be from that center point key to work then one of the 8s. So it's making sure that your quadrant is turned on, back into circle, specify the center point, so this will be up the top now. D for diameter of 20, like so. So now I would probably work on putting the array in, so click array 8 for the items once it pops up. Enter to select the items. Specify the center point. I click on 1, so array. Enter, specify the center point, 0, 0. This will give you, remember, 6 as the default, so change that to 8. Locked in, like so. Now, so I've ticked off the 8. You kind of think 8 circles. Tick. So really, you've got to deal with this 10 mil. So if you offset, mean 10. This would go out to 170. So again, if you want to check, you can do measure. Probably use measure radius. So 85. So 85 will give you a diameter of 170. If you wanted to also double check, a good way to pick up is the linear point, which will then give us as 10. Like so. So remember that if you had 10 of the circle, so if you basically had 150, because how diameters work, basically it's 10 either side, because it's obviously on the circumferential value. So the offset is 10, but the diameter would be 170, so it's 20. So I've put those ones in. So I've added the offset there of 10. last thing to then do is then think about this center section here. So from my center point, I'll just clear this one off. Okay, from my center, I've got an R15, which will then give me this element there. So I'm going to pop that one in. So CI circle 0.0 15 in there, and then now I've got to put a bit of construction elements in. So what I'm going to do, change my drawing layer to construction. I'm going to put an Xline in on 0, 0. So I'm going to lock this to the X, offset of 5 to make the 10mm gap. There's my, that's not locked onto. That's better. That's locked to 0 this time. 5 up, and then 5 down. Like so. And then what you can do is, because you know the intercept point, if you go to your drawing layer, start off with a line, you can put the intercept point, come out. So this time it's 5.85, comma 0. Like that. Drop the line down. Or you could sort of do a mirror if you wanted to. So I'm going to overrun trim. So line way. So lock that to 90, overrun slightly. Click TR to trim that back. Mirror. And just choose the 2. Lock it at the bottom. So mirror around the bottom point. Push it up. In this case. So find another point to lock it against. So you can see again my snap tonight is being a slight pain. I think what I'm actually going to do is mirror it around. There we go. Erase original source will be a no. Trim then everything I don't need. And to turn off my construction layers. Zoom out. Change that one to a construction. And there we have our completed drawing. So if I just zoom out of that one, I've got my 8 points, which then match that one. So there's kind of a speed, a bit more of a speedy one that you can get along with. But again, just use some basic commands that will help you.